After setting your brand, we can now design the home page. Let us start with the background. This is important because it anchors the look of your LMS and sets the tone for your students. A good background supports your brand identity and helps students to focus. You can browse backgrounds from the Elements section. Choose something that fits your subject and your overall theme. After selecting a background, click it to apply it. For the homepage layout, I want to place the LMS logo besides its name. I also want to place the feedback and the Google Meet or whichever video conferencing tool you use at the top so it is easy to access. Add a shape to emphasize the header area. Insert your logo or an icon from an Elements section. Adjust the color to match your branding. Place your website name beside the icon. Add home. Feedback. And your video conferencing tool. For the content, your homepage should show the subject name, a short description, and the learning objectives. Insert a shape. Choose a gradient if you like. Adjust transparency. And then add the subject title, description, and objectives. Now, let us build the module elements. For this activity, you will decide what task to include in each module. If you are a teacher or faculty in academe, make sure your content follows your lesson plan or syllabus. You can design your module components in any style, whether square, oval, or any other shape. What matters is that the modules clearly show the module number, module title, and tasks. In my sample, each module contains 4 tasks. Next, let us design the sub-pages. Since we already established the branding, we need all pages to be consistent. The easiest way to do that is to duplicate the page layout available. Click the 3 dots. Remove unnecessary parts of the home page and modify the color if needed. Then edit the design slightly so it looks different but still on brand. For module subpages, duplicate the template page, rename it, change the title, and continue duplicating until each task has its own subpage. Before linking these subpages to homepage, Make sure each page has a clear name. This helps you avoid confusion later. Once naming is done, start linking the elements on the home page to their corresponding subpages. Linking is important because it controls where your students go when they click an element. For example, if students click Learning Guide, you may want them to be redirected to Learning Guide page. Select the element. Click the three dots. Choose Link and select the appropriate page. Do this to all elements. For video conferencing links, generate the link from your chosen platform and paste it using the same linking process. After linking, we can now place content inside each subpage.